In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and edit documents in DocHub. First, open your browser and go to DocHub.com, then log into your account so you can access your workspace. On the home screen, you'll see My Documents. If the file you want is already there, simply click it to open. If you're bringing in something new, select New, then choose Upload File to add a document from your computer. You can also import directly from Google Drive, Dropbox, a public URL, or from Gmail attachments. The first time you connect a cloud service, DocHub may ask for permission so it can reach those files securely. After you pick your file, it will open right away in the DocHub editor. DocHub supports popular formats like PDF, DOCX, PPTX, JPG, and PNG, among others. If you upload a non-PDF file, DocHub converts it for editing while keeping the layout as close as possible. Large or image-heavy documents may take a moment to load, so give it a second if you see a brief spinner before the pages appear. Once your document is open, look to the left side of the screen. That's your editing toolbar, and it's where you'll add or modify content. To add or edit text, click the Text tool, then click anywhere on the page where you want the text box to appear. Start typing to fill out forms, add comments, or correct labels. Use the formatting controls to adjust the font, size, color, and alignment so your text blends with the existing style. For example, matching font size and choosing a color with good contrast helps your additions look professional and readable. You can move a text box by dragging it and resize it using the handles on the corners. If your text needs to fit a tighter space, slightly reduce the font size or widen the box so nothing gets clipped. Take a moment to align your text with nearby elements. Clean alignment makes the document easier to scan. To add a signature, click the Sign tool. You'll see three options: Draw, Type, or Upload. Drawing with a mouse or trackpad gives a handwritten look. Typing your name generates a clean, consistent signature. Pick a style that fits the document's tone. If you already have a signature image, upload it for a precise match. Place the signature on the designated line, then resize and nudge it into position so it's centered and not covering any other content. And that's it. You've opened your document in DocHub, added text with the toolbar, and placed a signature exactly where you need it.